Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video. In today's video, we'll talk about how to grow petunia and care for it. Let's get started. Introduction to petunia. Petunias are popular flowers known for their exceptional blooms and long flowering period. Petunias are treated as annual flowers in most areas, but they can also be perennials. They get leggy by midsummer and should be pruned to maintain their length. When and where to plant petunia. When to plant a petunia plant depends on your area's spring frost date. The plant does not do well when exposed to frost. It is best to plant petunia during summer because they do well when exposed to sunlight. The plant is annual in cold climates and will only last one growing season. Petunias will bloom well in warm climates, and the best thing is that they always have self-seed for continued growth. Petunia can be grown in a compound garden or hanging decor baskets at your home. As long as they receive sunlight and are watered frequently, their flowers bloom well and make your place beautiful. How to plant petunia. Petunia flowers are grown from tiny seeds that need a lot of light to germinate. After they germinate and the young plants have 3 leaves, you can plant them outside. When planting outside, space the plants about 1 foot apart so they can get enough space when they're leggy. In case you're planting petunia in a container, first, make holes at the bottom of the container to enable it to drain water. Also, plant 1 or 2 young plants into the container, depending on the size of the container. Additionally, you should make sure that the soil is well fertilized. How to care for petunia. Favorable growth conditions. Petunias need frequent watering for them to grow well. The petunias in containers require more water than those planted on the ground. Also, you should avoid watering shallowly to avoid shallow roots. Also, it would be best if you fertilize them monthly with a balanced fertilizer, so they can have rapid growth and heavy blooming. During midsummer, petunias get leggy, hence they require pruning to keep them tidy. After pruning, ensure you water and fertilize them to make them grow more flowers. Thanks for watching.